What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today's a new year. Happy 2018. This is probably my first video in 2018, and of course I had to open up the new year with one of my favorite videos of what's in my bag. I want to show you the bag that I've been using lately. I've gotten so many questions about how I dyed this bag. Again, this bag used to be an off-white color. This is the Balenciaga first bag, so it is a smaller size bag. This one is pre-loved. It is from 2008, my bad. So it is about 10 years old and it's in awesome condition. I love the fact that it's extra soft and squishy, and I've lately been using this every single day. So I wanted to show you what I kind of carry in this bag, how much it holds, kind of go through the dyeing process a little bit, and who I've followed here on YouTube to actually dye my bag. So first thing first, my name is Jessica. If you guys are new to my channel, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I make videos on fashion related things that I love, things that I've been wearing, things that I've been picked up, maybe hauls, also handbag videos. I'm going to try to do more videos this year, hopefully, and that is one of my goals. So if you guys are ready for my handbag video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. All right, let's get started. All right, so like I said, this is the Balenciaga first bag. It is about 12 inches in length and maybe, I don't know what this is. I don't have measurement tape, but let's just say that it's a small to medium sized bag. It does have this shoulder strap here. It does not adjust. It is just this size, and you can wear it like that, which I use both. I use the handles a little bit more and the shoulder strap when I get tired or if I need my hand for some reason. What else? It has a little zipper here. And the hardware is more of a like brass, like darker gold color. So process of dyeing this bag, I will leave a link to a video that I did last year on my closet, and I was showing you the bag that I bought at that time. And this color bag used to be off-white. Now I did buy this bag pre-loved off of Poshmark. I got a really great deal. I've always wanted a Balenciaga bag. I feel like Balenciaga bags are really classic. You still see them in stores now. You'll still see this style, probably in black, I'm not sure. But it's goes with everything. I felt as though the off-white color was getting dirty, and I couldn't really wear it with too much white because it was more of like a yellow cream color. So I felt as though I wasn't reaching for it, and I spent money on it. So I wanted to figure out a purpose to use the bag. So I came across this girl's video. She basically took her old, her color bag was more of like a mint green color. And the same thing, she wore it for years, got dirty. She wanted to wear it again and kind of like introduce it back in her collection. Don't mind me, I kind of just like cut my hair and I'm still getting used to how little short what it is now. Okay, so she went about the process. I'm not sure how I'm sure she found a video too. So she went again the process of dyeing her bag, and I watched her video repeatedly to kind of decide if I wanted to do this or not. I bought all of the things that she bought literally just online. Once it came, I was like, whatever, like I'm not going to ruin the bag as much as, dyeing it black, what is it going to really do? And I actually really love it. I think it came out really great. There's two types of dyes that you use on this bag, which the last dye gives it that glossy effect, which I really love, and it's really a true black color. All right, this little puff is from H&M. Let's see what else is inside the bag. So again, I said it has a little zip here. I really don't use that zipper part, and it's pretty big inside. In one of my last videos, I found that someone said that they wanted to see the bag in frame when I'm like in it. So there's my knee. I'm going to try to keep the bag up. So I have this little pouch inside. That was so cute. I kind of carry this purse in and out of other bags, my gym bag, everything. And it kind of holds all the necessity things that I would want or would need. That's what a girl does. They carry things that they might often need in times, right? So here's my phone. cases from eBay. It's got watermelons on it. I think it's super cute. Does anybody else like keep their cards, or if you live in New York, keep your Metro card here? Only because I literally always have my phone in my hand, so I feel that it's really easy access to grab my Metro card, so I keep it there. And this is the 6 Plus. I have my sunglasses, Ray-Bans. I have my keys and my little pochette thingy. Well, no, it's called clay, right? I've had this for years. I'm sure you've seen this multiple times. I am looking to get something different. I just feel like right now I'm using this as my wallet, so you can see that it's completely stuffed with cards. What else? Oh, so another thing is I've been going to the gym a lot more often. So I found a new gym back in maybe October, November time. So I have my lock and I have my key, and I kind of put my gym pass things on my key, and then I keep them with me when I'm working out. And this one is to my yoga studio. All right. So inside the pouch, I have a lip gloss, and this is an Urban Decay Revolution lip gloss. Lotion. Of course, you need some lotion. This is Palmer's Coconut Oil Lotion. Wrinkle Release. I mean, who doesn't need this when you look a mess, when you go to work and you sit on a train all day and your clothes get all wrinkly, and you just spray this on your clothes and just kind of like give it a tug. I have a clip. These come in handy when you forget your kind of hair tie when you go to the gym. That happens to me a lot. Vaseline. My lips have been ridiculously dry in this weather. It is so cold that my lips are dry, my skin is dry, and lately, I don't know if you guys use this too, but I love using coconut oil on just about every part of my body. So get out of the shower, coconut oil, my hair mask, coconut oil. So a jug of coconut oil goes a long way in my household. I have this like little clip piece, which I really don't ever use. I'm not sure why I have it in there. A Rollerball Perfume. Sometimes I carry large perfumes, but that one I really do love. It is Victoria's Secret Tease. Probably haven't used it in a while. It smells good. I have a lip liner in this like plum color. I have a pen. I think it's really great to have a pen. I learn my lessons when traveling. Whenever you're traveling, you always need a pen because you need to fill out stuff. I have a Band-Aid just in case. I haven't had blisters in a really long time. I usually only get blisters more in the summertime. Not sure why, but carrying like blister things and Band-Aids is a must. These are plackers. So they're like floss. Love these, and I love how many you get like in a little pack. I literally pick these up at the dollar store because it's only my luck that I eat spinach or kale and it's all in my teeth. I have a Chanel lip gloss in the color 112. I have MAC lipstick in the color Plumful. I've been trying to use this color more. I think it's absolutely beautiful, especially this time of year. I don't know if you can see it. It's a plummy color. It's beautiful. I have a pain liner, and I have some extra strength Bears Back and Body pills. Oh, and I have some gum. So all that stuff was in my bag. So I'm going to take this out to show you more about the bag. So there you go. So when you're down your bag, you want to get every crevice of the bag. I got all in here. And you don't have to really worry about the metal because after you dye your bag, you go in with rubbing alcohol and then clean all your hardware, which is pretty good. Has a little zip pocket inside the bag here, which I really don't use. Oh yeah, and headphones and a penny. All right, so there you go. Give you another. So here's the back of the bag. Here's the front of the bag. And there you go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking out what's in my bag and what I carry around on a daily basis. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these type of videos. I would love to hear your advice on more video ideas on what I could film. I'm kind of in a rut lately of not wanting to do the same exact videos of everybody else, but my favorite videos to watch are handbag videos. So I would love to do a little bit more handbag videos in the future and, you know, style videos, of course. So again, hope you guys are enjoying your 2018 so far, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.